Good afternoon. This is Glenn and Rayanne, owners of Good Works Auto Repair in sunny Tempe, Arizona. In light of the COVID virus going on around our country, about 4 weeks ago, we decided to do a little project called COVIDMAD. And COVIDMAD stands for a community of valiant individuals determined to make a difference. That's COVIDMAD. And we're mad at the COVID virus because it's affecting small businesses all across our country. So to get our vengeance, we decided that we were going to start buying gift certificates to restaurants and providing gift certificates to our customers. And through those certificates, we're blessing the small business who owns the restaurant to keep their doors open and stay viable during this time.
We're very excited to announce that our friends at NARPRO have decided to join us. So click the link below for all the details, but each shop is going to purchase their own $50 gift certificates and they will rotate through the weeks. And then NARPRO is matching that donation with a gift certificate to a first responder. And we're very excited about this.
Yes, we are. So that's going to be $500 a week is going to be given charitably to different organizations and individuals who are getting some free food and helping small businesses. So that's what COVIDMAD is all about. And both Good Works and now NARPRO, which roughly describes about 20 shops around town, some of the top auto repair shops around town are sponsoring that. So thank you, and we're proud to have NARPRO on board with us. COVIDMAD.
Be safe.